Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 24th and Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. On this post, I'll be telling you about Loopring, LRCUSD, see what has changed since the last time we have spoken on this token, which has been quite a bit of a time. I'll be telling you about my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, for this market, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to point out Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into or out of. Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance focusing on the 3-day time frame now, because I have been mentioning that there is bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame, and it looks like it's actually playing out right now, where it did take the price action from Bitcoin dominance from about 71 cents all the way back down below 69 cents now. Let's see how sustainable this pullback will be, and if Bitcoin dominance continues trending downwards, I could expect better trading opportunities for trading altcoins. However, if Bitcoin dominance is only taking a small pullback and continues towards its measured target of the breakout of this falling broadening wedge on the weekly time frame, I do see a measured target of about 73%. That could mean more danger for altcoins. So something I'll be paying very close attention to before even looking at any altcoin markets. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action and see what exactly is going on in Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin price action looks less dangerous now because it did look like that was this red candle right here was the bearish divergence on the daily time frame, and it is negating further downward price action as of now. It does look like it's actually still running within a ascending triangle pattern. If this ascending triangle pattern actually breaks, the next level of support I'll be looking at will be the 12-hour 21 simple moving average, the blue line right here, which has not been touched yet. So this tells me it still could be pretty strong support if the price action dips down to it. Now let's look at Loopring, LRCUSD, after considering Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action to be the backdrop. Okay, so on Loopring, LRCUSD, I do see, let's zoom all the way back out to the weekly time frame, where I do see a falling wedge pattern has formed and broken out of since September here, where it was starting to form, and the breakout was about the measured target was about a little under 25 cents. Price action went as far as about 29 cents before coming all the way back down, and now on the weekly time frame actually looks like the price action has formed somewhat of a double bottom pattern. Of course, if this price action, this weekly candle right here closes about 3 days, if it actually closes below this last low right here on the weekly time frame, which is about 15 cents, then I'll be more skeptical. But if it actually closes anywhere around 15 cents, I would still think this double bottom pattern is still valid, because if the price action on this weekly candle actually closes below 15 cents, this tells me that the support is just not as much there as it was last time, so I'll be a little more skeptical. And of course, keeping monitor of any, or even the next week, or even possibly the week following this weekly candle as well. Okay, so if the price action actually breaks out of this double bottom pattern, which I do consider the 20 cents level to be about the neckline, I do see a possible measured target of about 28 cents may or may not be reached, especially with quite a bit of Fibonacci retracement levels between that breakout point and the measure target. Something to note though is that the RSI reading right here is way oversold. So I think chances are it's probably gonna start heading upwards in the near future, but I will keep a monitor on what's going to go on in this market and of course the overall markets as well. Now, let's take a look into the hourly time frame where I am seeing the price action starting to reverse after yesterday's sell-off. It has built some support but above the 21 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average on the hourly time frame. So that is something I'll be keeping very close attention to, because if price action starts breaking down below these support that has actually just built on top on, that is a bad sign. Now, the key level I'm actually looking at will be the daily 21 simple moving average right here, because it has been acting as the signal for the downtrend right here. And of course, when it reversed and started a very short uptrend, the price action had been staying up on top of the daily 21 simple moving average. And when the downtrend started again, that was when price action started staying below the daily 21 simple moving average. So that is the key support I am looking for the price action to get back above on and stay above on in order to say that this price action is going on an uptrend, okay? So that is the level I'm keeping an eye out on. Now let's look at the bullish case scenario. Bullish case scenario would be for the price action to continue staying on top of these hourly 21 and 50 simple moving averages, get above more moving averages before finally getting above the daily 21 simple moving average. I believe the 4-hour 21 is immediate resistance right now, and then the 4-hour 50, it's also in between the price action now and the daily 21. I think there's going to be some more as well. You guys can probably browse this on your own. But the daily 21 is the one that I'm actually looking for the price action to get above on and stay above on in order to confirm an uptrend. Now, the bearish case scenario here would be if the price action starts breaking down below these hourly moving averages that has actually just built support on. That would be a bad sign and a warning sign to me. So these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for the very short term future. Hope you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.